Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I plan to show you my night routine. So first I'm going to get home from work. Obviously, if you don't know, I work at Target. It's not all it's cracked up to be, but it's all good. I'm gonna play with my kitty cat for a minute until she gets tired of me and gets up and runs away. And then I'm going to take off my shoes, get relaxed, change my clothes. I just want to be cozy. I'm at home now. And I do want to get started on my lunch fairly quickly because when I don't eat, I get weird. When I'm hungry, I'm weird. So shoes off. I'm gonna change my clothes because I feel disgusting if I'm in the same clothes all day long that I've worn to work. So I'm gonna do that first, and then once I get that done, I'm gonna head to the kitchen. And I'm going to open up a turkey pot pie. Actually, I'm going to do two because one is not going to fill me up. I'm going to grab a pan. I'm just going to throw them on there. Don't need any foil, nothing like that. This is my poor girl meal. So it says on the box to, cut like an X in the center so that it can rise or whatever. So I'm gonna do that. And once I do that, they're going in the oven on 400. And while those cook, I'm going to empty out the dish rack. Put everything where it needs to go. Pots, pans, measuring cups. These are my girlfriend duties, woman of the house duties. I'm not a wife yet. We're getting there. So you'll see me do that. And then once I can empty the dish rack, the dishes that are already in there, I can pull out the clean ones and put them in the dish rack. Watching me struggle with these measuring cups. Oh, fun times. my short girl problems. The glasses are going on the second shelf. It's not that far. I just can't reach it. So once I'm done loading and unloading the dishwasher, girlfriend duties, I'm just gonna sit back, relax, watch some SpongeBob, play on my phone, get on social media, and then my boyfriend calls me hereafter to chat about work. My pot pies are done. I'm gonna grab a drink. Choice of the day is pineapple juice. If you haven't tried this stuff, oh my gosh. I literally just found this like a week ago because my cousin introduced me to it, and wow. But it's not gonna be great if you don't shake it up first, because all the pineapple like residue will stay at the bottom, and you can see right there. But anyway, pot pies are done, and I'm a weirdo. I cut off the crust and then just pour the entire bowl into another bowl. So I've got 2 there, and I'm gonna mash them up a little bit, make sure everything separates, and while it's still hot, I'm gonna add some salt, add some pepper, keep mashing. Once it's how I like it, I'm gonna sit down, get my pineapple juice, relax. So I'm watching Kana Kathleen's vlog, her weekly vlog. I don't know what it is. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with her. She is so entertaining. Her activewear, hauls, everything about her. Oh my god. And I love to watch her cook. I don't know. I just love to watch her cook. So once my boyfriend gets home from work, tonight he decided for dinner we're gonna do nachos / burritos. He likes burritos. I'm a nacho girl. So I'm gonna craft my plate. Sometimes I use Doritos, but tonight I used Tostitos. You know, those chips. So I'm gonna lay my meat out. Fairly evenly spaced. Then I found this Mexican cheese at Walmart. It is to die for. All you gotta do is put it in a bowl in the microwave with some milk and stir it occasionally. After that, I've added cheddar cheese and jalapenos, and now we're gonna sit and relax after we've eaten. Just chill. This is what we do every single night. Please enjoy. Now we've finished eating and we're just cleaning the kitchen up. I have no idea what we're laughing about right now. I couldn't tell you. Truly, I have no idea. But we're just rinsing the dishes, loading them into the dishwasher, all the bowls, pans, silverware, all that good stuff. And after you see me do this, I'm going to just clean the counters. I'm gonna use some scrub and bubbles in the sink. That is the best thing to use to clean your sink out, I swear. And we have a deep sink and it works so good. After I do that, I'm gonna wipe off the stove. It gets really messy once we start cooking. It's smoothie time. Yay! So first I have mangoes, then I have strawberries. I have a little bullet blender, which I'm gonna plug up. It gets really loud, oh my gosh. So first I'm gonna add the sliced strawberries. I don't know what size cup this is. I just grab whichever one I want. I don't add too much, but this is my boyfriend's smoothie, so he loves mangoes. I'm gonna add those. And his choice of drink is the mango twist from Welch's. It tastes good on its own too, so good. So I'm gonna pour that over the fruit. I also add sugar. Don't judge me. I'm not a healthy person. Don't even judge me. I'm gonna shake it up before I put it on the blender. Make sure everything sinks to the bottom. That one strawberry was just hanging at the top. So I'm gonna start it up and walk away, obviously. This smoothie is done. I'm just gonna pour it in a glass. I have to use a spoon, otherwise it goes everywhere. Now this one's mine. I did the same exact thing, except I used pineapple juice. We make smoothies a good 5 out of 7 nights a week. So we're just gonna chill and drink our smoothies. I think we were watching Family Guy and talking about, I don't even know, whatever. But we do this every single night. We just like to relax, have fun together. Cuddle bear. Oh. So once that's over with, I'm gonna start up my shower because my boyfriend begs me to take one, even though I was gonna do it anyway. And once my shower is over with, he leaves his stuff everywhere. He leaves it for me to clean up. So obviously I do it because I have girlfriend duties. And I'm gonna throw them in that basket, which is our wash basket. Gotta wash that stuff, which I will do later tonight. And here's the good part. Ooh, I'm gonna have some cake. No, there's no birthdays. Nobody's birthday. I love cake, especially from Sam's. Oh my gosh, so good. Stays moist for days. I'm gonna add a scoop of ice cream. I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm just gonna have one. And then we're gonna put on a movie, and I'm gonna sit down and eat my cake. We put on Two Guns. That movie is so good. Hilarious. And that is my night routine. Thank you for watching. See you next time.